Then I will go with which option I want to select in circle. Center radius, center diameter, or 2 point, 3 point. Which one I want to select for drawing a 50 diameter circle? Which one I want to select? Which option I want to select? Center radius, center diameter, or 2 point or 3 point? Someone is unmute, but I am not getting his voice clearly. You can type. You can type in chat box. Which one we can select? Center and radius, center diameter, center diameter. Okay. Roll number 9 said center and diameter method. Now I will select center and diameter. Where will be my center? I don't know the center. Here I know the center of larger circle. On this larger circle, smaller circle is rolling. For that smaller circle, I don't know the center. Just I drawn the rough line. Okay, it's not center and diameter. It's not center and radius. You have to select 2-point method. Select 2-point method. First point of the circle is on the larger circle. Second point is how much? 50. That's it. Okay. Now for this circle, I don't know the center, but even though I have drawn, if I want to go for center and radius, I don't know the center. Center and diameter also, I don't know the center. That's why I want to go with 2-point method. Then I will go with trim command. I will erase this. Okay. I will draw one more line on this. Okay. For dividing the line. Now I will go with the polar array. Select the line. Okay, press enter, select the center point of the circle, change it to 8 divisions, 8 segments. Okay. Then after that, same procedure. In this, what we have did, after dividing the circle into 8 divisions, we have drawn horizontal lines. But here we don't have horizontal lines. We have curved lines. That's why you have to select center and radius method. Center is your larger circle center. Radius will be your points. Now this is your center, first center. Next again, second center. Second center. Next, third center. Okay. That means from the center of the larger circle to, you have to draw lines from each division. Same way you have to draw the arcs for the center also. For the center of the circle. Then after drawing the circles from each division, now this is my center, this is my radius. This is my center, this is my radius. And before that, go with the notations. Now this is the contact point. That's why this is your V point. Okay. Now the circle is rolling again clockwise direction. You have to go with anti-clockwise notations. Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, there is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. This is your O point. Now, if you observe in a cycloid, after drawing the horizontal line, we are dividing the center of the axis. Okay. Same here also. After drawing the circles, you have to divide the center of the axis. Center of the axis means this one, this circle. But before that, you know the length, how much length it is having. But in a cycloid, you know the pi into d length for the base for one complete revolution. But for here, you don't know the length up to where it will close after one complete revolution. For that, what you have to find out? You have to find out the angle theta. How to find out the theta? Small r by capital R into 360 degrees. Okay? Capital R by small r into 360 degrees. Or capital D by small d into 360 degrees. Now, capital R means this length 90 mm, this radius 90 mm, small r means this radius 25 mm. Okay. Capital 50 by 25 into 360 degrees. You will get 100 radius. Then you have to draw the line with 100. Instead of that, go with rotation, select the line, press enter, select the base point and go for copy option and give minus 100. Okay, I got minus 100. What is the need of this angle? Sir, what is the need of this angle means after complete one revolution of the rolling circle, it has to close the curve. Where it will close, that end point you know. That end point you have to identify it. In a cycloid, you know the end point. What is that end point? 157. That 157th point is your end point after completion one revolution. But now here you don't know the end point. You have circles. That's why you have to find out the theta. How to find out the theta? Capital R by small r into 360 degrees. Okay. Then after this, remove unwanted lines. Okay. Unwanted arcs or circles and all. Then select this circle and go for rotate. Select this point and keep it horizontal. Keep it like this. Okay. Now I will select this. Use move command. Nearby I will draw here. You can get some idea. Okay. Now see here. Now here center line you have made into equal parts. Now here center of the axis is this one. But this axis is not started from the center. From the end it started. That's why remove this only this corner by trim. By using trim command, just delete. Now if you observe this circle having center from the center to this end point. Now you have to divide this center axis, this axis line into equal parts. Same procedure from now onwards. Divide, select 8 segments, enter. You will get the points. Okay. PD size you can increase. PD size I will go with 2. Okay. Now this is my first point, means C1, C2, C3, C4. Same procedure you can use. Go here, select the circle, go for copy option, pick the center point. Pick the center point. Where is the C1? This is your C1. This is your C2. This is your C3. This is your C4. Up to C4. Enough. Next. C1 line, C1 arc, where it is intersecting here. Now this is your point. Make the point and delete the circle. Next, second line, it is intersecting somewhere here. This is your second point. Point, make the point over here and delete the circle. Okay. Next, third point is here. Third circle, third point. Delete this circle. Next, fourth point exactly you will get at the top. Fourth point. Okay. Now delete. Then go for spline curve. Use the spline command. From where you have to start? From the base point, from the P. Now this is your P1. This is your P2, P3, P4. Okay. After this, just enter. Then go for mirror. Select the base point. Select the base point and base curve. You got the epicycloid. Go for join. How much time it will take? Okay, next, tangent and normal. Tangent and normal, how much they have given? 135 mm from the center of the directing circle. 135 mm from the center of the directing circle. This is the center of the directing circle. Now means this is your baseline. That's why this is the center of the directing circle. This is the center of the rolling circle. Okay. Now from here, go with arc method. Center, starting how much? 135. 135, enter. And draw the arc. Now you can see arc is intersecting the curve somewhere here. This is your point. This is your point M. This is your point. Where is this point? This point is your R point. Point R. Okay. Now same procedure from R you have to draw one circle or arc from R as center, draw a diameter means 50 circle. That circle will intersect the axis line somewhere here. That is your point. Which point? It is your M point. This is your M point. Okay. This is your M point. Again, same from the M, delete the circle. From the M point, you have to draw one line. You have to draw one line up to the center of directing circle. This point will intersect the base circle, automatic base circle. Why? Because if you observe here also, after drawing the arc, means from the M point, you have drawn the vertical line up to the base line. Now here in this case, which one is the base circle? This is the base circle. That's why you have to draw the line up to the center, then you will get the base point. This is your end point. From this end point, you have to draw one line. You have to draw one line from this end point through R point. Okay, through R. This is your normal. Extend this. This is your normal. Okay. Now 90 degrees to this normal, you will get the tangent. Select the base point. Okay, go for copy and 90. This is your normal, this is your tangent, this is your arc. Go with the notations. Bilayer. Okay. Now this is your tangent and normal. Suppose you don't have the time. You don't have the time to draw the tangent and normal. Then what you have to do? Just select the P4 point and draw the tangent and normal. At least you will get 1 mark. Actually, if you draw according to the procedure, according to the length, you will get 3 marks, 2 to 3 marks. Suppose if you don't have the time, you can select the P4 as your base point. From there, you can draw the tangent and normal. At least you will get 1 mark extra. Okay, instead of 3 marks reduction, you will get at least 1 or 2 marks. You will gain 1 or 2 marks. Okay. Same hypocycloid, instead of convex shape, you will get concave shape. For that also you have to take notations opposite of the rolling circle direction. So as rolling circle is rolling clockwise, you have to take notations anti-clockwise. If it is anti-clockwise, you have to take clockwise. Automatically you will get the points. Okay. Now any doubts regarding this cycloid and epicycloid? Tangent and normal procedure is same for the cycloid and epicycloid. But here we have horizontal lines and vertical lines. Here we have curved lines. But see these lines? Tell me.
కమెంట్స్ చెప్పరా సార్, అది పాయింట్స్ కనపడట్లేదు డివైడ్ చేశాక.
Okay, that is the PD mode. Type PD mode, MODE. PD mode. Suppose if you forget this command, but you are not getting the points. If you forget this command, you have to remember only one command. That is point type. PT. That's it. PT. Enter. You will get any one point. By default, what will happen? Maybe it may be like a point. It may be like point. That's why if you type point style or PT, point type, you will get this window. Select this and change the size and press OK. That's it.
సార్ లైన్ గీస్తుంటే లెంత్ రావట్లేదు, ఎంత లెంత్ కనపడట్లేదు, దానికి ఏదో కమాండ్.
That is, if you see that status bar at the bottom, here I have one word file. Above this word file, I have one symbol. Okay. On my screen, if you see my screen, here above this word file, I have one option here, one icon. That is dynamic input. That should be in a on mode. Suppose that icon is not visible in the status bar. How to get it? Just go to extreme right side of status bar. You will get customization tools. Select that customization tools. From the top, you will get 4th or 5th one, dynamic input. Now see, it is in a on mode. Now I am untick this one. See the status bar. You have to observe on a status bar, that's plus symbol. It will disappear. Okay. If it is not there, you can get from this dynamic input, from the customization tools. Suppose it is already there, but it is not highlighted means just you have to select it. That's it. Now suppose I will select the line. I will get the ribbon, dynamic input ribbon, exactly below the cursor. Suppose you are not getting it, means just it is not on. It is in a off mode. Just go on this one, you will get it. Okay. Dynamic input on. Done? Any doubts? Okay, be online, I will take the attendance. Only 55 students. What happened? 10 students are absent. Please be online, I will take the attendance. Roll number 1 absent. Ten absent. 17 absent, 19 absent, 20 absent, 27 absent, 35 absent, 41 absent, 57 absent, 65 absent. Listen, once again I am calling absentees. Roll number 1, 10, 17, 19, 20, 27, 35, 41, 57 and 65. If anybody present in this list, please inform me. You can leave. Thank you.